Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Julia and today we're going to talk about how to use social media.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Julia, do you use social media every day?
Yes, I do. I use social media every day.
Which social media apps do you use?
I use YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook.
Nice. I also use YouTube every day.
What do you usually watch?
I watch educational videos, travel videos, and podcasts.
That sounds useful.
Thank you. What do you think is the best way to use social media?
I think we should use social media to learn new things.
I agree. Social media can be a great learning tool.
Yes, we can learn English, cooking, fitness, and many other skills.
That's true.
But we should also be careful.
Why?
Because spending too much time on social media is not healthy.
Good point.
Sometimes people spend many hours scrolling without learning anything.
I have done that before.
Me too.
Let's teach some useful vocabulary.
Great idea.
Post means something you share online.
Example, I posted a photo yesterday.
Follower is a person who follows your account.
Example, she has many followers.
Comment means writing your opinion online.
Example, he wrote a nice comment.
Excellent.
Let's practice grammar.
Present tense.
I use social media every day.
You use social media every day.
We use social media every day.
He uses social media every day.
She uses social media every day.
Notice the S in uses.
Very important.
Now past tense.
Yesterday, I used social media.
Yesterday, you used social media.
Yesterday, we used social media.
Yesterday, he used social media.
Yesterday, she used social media.
Great.
Now, future tense.
Tomorrow, I will use social media.
Tomorrow, you will use social media.
Tomorrow, we will use social media.
Tomorrow, he will use social media.
Tomorrow, she will use social media.
Very simple.
Julia, what do you think people should avoid on social media?
I think people should avoid negative content.
I agree.
People should also protect their privacy.
That's very important.
Never share personal information with strangers.
Good advice.
Social media should help our lives, not control our lives.
Beautifully said.
Thank you.
Listeners, how do you use social media?
Please write your answer in the comments.
And if you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you for learning English with us today.
Social media can be useful when we use it wisely.
Learn, connect, and grow.
Thank you everyone for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye everyone.
Bye.